Good morning children. This video is for class 2 mathematics term 3 chapter number 2 and the name of the chapter is time and calendar. This is our summary lecture. So beta today we will revise full chapter again. So let's start.
Now beta, first of all we will learn about write the correct time again. So here in A part it is given the clock. Okay, this clock is given. Now first of all we will see that at which number our minute hand means the long hand of the clock is. So it is at number 12. So the time is o'clock. Now we have to see that how much o'clock is there. So for that we need to see the hour hand. So here hour hand is at number 2. So the time is 2 o'clock. Okay. So here we will write 2 o'clock. So beta, when o'clock is there, minutes are 0. So in another way how we can write it, that is 2 colon 00. Understood? Now B part. Here again we have given a clock and you can see that where is our minute hand? Here in this clock, our minute hand is at 6. It means the time is half past. Now, half past, now we have to see ki where is the hour hand. So, here hour hand is between 6 and 7. So, we will write it like half past 6. Okay. Now, in another way, how we can write it, when I told you earlier that beta, wherever is the minute hand, we need to multiply that by 5. So here minute hand is at 6. So we will multiply 6 by 5 and that is equal to 30. It means 30 minutes are there and hours, 6 hours has been passed. Okay, so how we can write it? 6:30. In another way, how we can write like 30 minutes past 6 means 30 minutes और बीत चुके हैं 6 o'clock के बाद. Understood beta? There are 3 ways to write this time. Now in C part, it is given this clock. Now we have to see that where is that minute hand? Here the minute hand is at number 3. Okay, so how we can write it? Quarter past. I told you earlier now, whenever the minute hand is at number 3, then we speak the time as quarter past. Okay, and the hour hand is between 3 and 4 but slightly nearby 3. So how we can write this time? That is quarter past 3. Okay, or in another way how we can write it? Like 3 hours has been completed here and how many minutes are completed, that are we will multiply 3 by 5 to know about minutes. So 3 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 15. So in another way how we can write 3 colon 15. Okay, or another way to write it like 15 minutes past 3 because here quarter means 15 minutes. Okay, now in D part, here again we have a clock and you can see that our minute hand is at 9. Whenever the minute hand is at 9, how we can read the time? That quarter to. Okay, and the hour hand is between 6 and 7 but slightly nearby 7. So how we can read this time? Quarter to 7. Or in another way, how we can write it? 6 hours has been completed here and how many minutes have been completed? That are 9 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 45. So here we will write 6:45. Or one more way to write it, that is 15 minutes to 7. Okay, यानी कि 7 बजने में कितने मिनट्स रहते हैं? 15 minutes. Understood beta? Now question number 2. Draw the hands of the clock pointing the given time. Now beta, we will learn about how we can draw the hands of the clock. So here in A part, we have given a clock without hands. है ना? Now we have to draw the hands of this clock by the given time and the time given is quarter past 6. So beta, quarter past 6, I told you earlier, whenever quarter past is given, okay, so our minute hand should be at number 3. Okay, and whenever the minute hand is at number 3, how many minutes have been passed? That is 3 multiplied by 5, 6:15. So how we can write it in another form? First of all, we will write it 6:15. Now we will draw the hands of the clock. Okay. So here we will draw our minute hand from midpoint to the 3. Okay, that is the long hand of the clock. Now we have to draw the hour hand. Okay, and hour hand should be between 6 and 7 but slightly nearby 6 like this. Okay, now B part. Here again we have a clock. Now we have to draw the hands for the time quarter to 10. Quarter to 10 means beta 9:45. Okay, so whenever quarter 2 is given, we need to draw the hand at number 9, minute hand. Okay, so we will make our minute hand at number 9. Now we have to draw the hour hand. So wherever is the hour hand now, it should be between 9 and 10 but slightly nearby 10 like this. Okay, now in C part, we have again given a clock. Now we have to draw the hands of this clock and the time given is 7:30. So beta, whenever 7:30 is given, it means our minute hand should be at number 6. So how many minutes have been passed? That is 6 multiplied by 5, 30 minutes. Okay. So what is the time? 7:30 in another way how we can write, that is 7:30. Okay. So first of all we will draw our minute hand. It should be at number 6. Now we have to draw the hour hand. So hour hand should be between 7 and 8. So we will draw hour hand like this. Okay. Understood beta? Now in D part. Here again we have given a clock. Now we have to draw 4 o'clock. So whenever the o'clock time is given, our minute hand should be at number 12. And I told you earlier that whenever the minute hand is at number 12, minutes are 0. So how we can write it in another way? That is 4:00. Now we have to draw the minute hand first of all, and it should be at number 12. And now we have to draw the hour hand, and hour hand should be at number 4. So here we will draw the hour hand. So this is the time 4 o'clock. Now beta, days of the particular month. So I told you earlier how we can count the days of a particular month with the help of our fist. So here we have a fist. We can count from any side the same result. Here this is the upper impression and this is the lower impression. So beta, which day comes at upper impression, that month has 31 days, and which month comes at lower impression, that month has 30 days. Only February month has 28 or 29 days. That month is exceptional. Okay बेटा, वो हमारा month जो है वो अलग से है, तो उसे हमें count नहीं करना. बाकी जो भी हमारे months आएंगे, जो upper impression पे आएगा, that month has 31 days, and lower impression पे आएगा तो that month has 30 days. So let's see how many months is there that have 30 or 31 days. So let's start. Months having 31 days: January, March, May, July, August, October and December. These months have 31 days. Now we will learn about months having 30 days: April, June, September and November. These months have 30 days. And month having 28 or 29 days, that is only one: February month. In ordinary year, there are 28 days, and in leap year, there are 29 days. Okay, beta? Now, question number 3. Fill in the blanks. The first day of the week is dash. So, beta, which is the first day of the week? That is Monday. So, you need to learn all the spellings of days of the week and month's name. Okay. So, here we will write Monday, Monday. Now, B part. The second month of the year is dash. Now, we have to count the second month. So, first month is January and second month is February. So, here we need to write the spelling of February. 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 Now C part. Children's Day falls in the month of dash. So beta, I told you earlier that some special days are there. So you need to learn that in which month we celebrate those special days. So here Children's Day falls in the month of November. 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 Okay. Now in D part, days in May month, that is equal to dash. So again we need to make a fist and then we can count the days in May month. So it has 31 days. Now E part. September is dash month of the year. Now we have to open our fingers and we need to count the month's name. So let's start. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. So September is the ninth month of the year. So here we need to learn the spellings of ordinary numbers. NINTH, ninth month of the year. Now F part. A chart showing the date, day and the months of a year is called dash. एक ऐसा चार्ट जो हमें डेट, डे और मंथ्स के बारे में बताता है ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर ईयर, उसे हम क्या बुलाते हैं? दैट इज कॉल्ड कैलेंडर. CALENDAR, कैलेंडर. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? Now beta, question number 4, multiple choice questions. So here beta, in multiple choice questions we have 4 or 5 options. We need to look at all the options, okay, and which option is correct you have to tick that option, and which option is wrong you have to cross that option. So let's start. Here in question number 1 it is given the time 6:15 can also be written as. Here we have options A quarter to 6, B quarter past 6, C 6:30 and D 15 minutes past 6. So here beta, first of all what is given to us, that is 6 colon 15. Okay. So how we can write it in another form, now we have to look. So here it is given in option number A, quarter to 6. Quarter to 6 means our minutes are 45. Okay, and how many hours are there? That is 5. So 5:45, and we have to look for 6:15. So this option is wrong. So here we will cross. Okay, now we will see second option, that is quarter past 6. And whenever quarter past is given, it means minutes are 15. And here also minutes are 15 and hours are 6. So here 6 is given. It means this option is correct. So here we will tick this option. Now we will see option number C. Here it is given 6:30. So that is wrong option. So we will cross this option. Now D part, 15 minutes past 6. Whenever it is given, here you can see 15 minutes is given. So 15 minutes past 6, that is correct. So here we will tick this option. Now we have to write its answer, and that is option number B and D are correct. Both options are correct now. So we will write option number B and D are correct. Now question number 2. The time 11:30 can also be written as dash. 6 o'clock, 11 colon 00, 11:30 or 30 minutes past 11. Okay. Now beta, it is given 11:30. ठीक है, हाफ पास्ट मीन्स 11 o'clock होने के बाद 30 minutes और पास्ट हो चुके हैं. Okay, so here it is given in option number A 6 o'clock. That is wrong option. So here we will cross. Now in B part it is given 11 o'clock. That is also wrong. So we will cross this option. Now in C part it is given 11:30. So beta, whenever half past is given, our minutes are 30. So this option is correct. We will tick this option. Now in D part, 30 minutes past 11. This option is also correct. So we will tick this option also. Now we have to write its answer. Option number C and D are correct. Understood beta, how you have to solve multiple choice questions. Now question number 3. Which of the following months have 30 days? ऐसे कौन से मंथ्स है जिनमें 30 डेज होते हैं? जून, सितंबर, नवंबर एंड दिसंबर. So now we have to make our fist and we have to count that in June month how many days are there. We know that it has 30 days. So we will tick this option. Okay. Now in B part it is given September. So how many days are there in September month? That is 30 days. So here we will tick this option also. Now in C part it is given November and November has also 30 days. So we will tick this option. Now in D part it is given December, but December month has 31 days. So this option is wrong. Understood? So now we have to write its answer. So we will write option number A, B and C are correct. Okay. Now question number 4. When the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 6. So what is the time? 6 colon 00, 12 colon 00, half past 6 or in D 6 o'clock. Now beta, whenever the minute hand is at 12, it means o'clock time is there, है ना? And our hand is at number 6. Okay, so it means 6 o'clock is there, है ना? So let's see. In A part it is given 6 colon 00. Minutes are 0 because our hand is at number 6 and minute hand is at 12. और जब minute hand हमारा 12 पे होता है तो हमारे minutes होते हैं 0. It means this option is correct. So we will tick this option. Now it is given 12 colon 00 means 12 o'clock. That is wrong because our hand is at number 6. So we will cross this option. Now half past 6. That is also cross. Wrong option. Now in D part it is given 6 o'clock. This option is correct. So we will tick this option. Now we have to write its answer. That is option number A and D are correct. Understood, beta? Now today's homework. Do assignment number 1 of chapter 2, time and calendar, which is uploaded on EdQuark website. Okay. Now homework solution of lecture number 3, which is given on page number 27, worksheet. So let's discuss question number 1. Write the correct time. So here let's see what is given to us. Here in A part it is given this clock. Now we have to see that where is the minute hand. It is at number 12 and the hour hand is at number 10. So how we can write the time? That is 10 o'clock. Okay, in another way how we can write 10 colon 00. B part. It is given this clock. Here the minute hand is at number 3. It means quarter past is there. So where is the hour hand? That is between 11 and 12 but slightly nearby 11. So what is the time? That is quarter past 11. Or in another way, how we can write 11:15 because minutes are 15. 3 multiplied by 5. Or one more way to write it, that is 15 minutes past 11. These are the 3 ways to write this time. Now in C part, it is given this clock and here the minute hand is at number 6 and the hour hand is between 1 and 2. So what is the time? That is half past 1. Or in another way 1:30 because minute hand is at number 6, so we will multiply 6 by 5. Okay, and one more way to write this, that is 30 minutes past 1. Now D part. Here again we have a clock. Now where is the minute hand? Minute hand is at number 9. So what is the time? Quarter 2. And our hand is between 3 and 4 but slightly nearby 4. So how we can write the time? Quarter to 4 means 4 बजने में यानी 4 o'clock होने में 15 minutes left है. And 3:45. Or in another way we can write 15 minutes to 4. Okay. Now question number 2. Answer in one word. So let's see what is given to us here in A part, which is the last month of the year. And we know that which is the last month of the year, that is December. So here we will write the spelling of December, December, December. Now in B part, which is the 7th month of the year. So now we have to count the month name. that is January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So at number 7, July comes. So here we will write July month. Okay. Now in C part. Which month follows June? What do you mean by it beta? Which month follows June? मतलब ऐसा कौन सा month है जो June के पीछे पीछे चलता है? Means which month comes after June? And that is July. So here we will write July, July. Now in D part. What will be the date after 1 week of July 7? So here beta we know that in 1 week there are 7 days. So we want to know about the date after 1 week of July 7. So here we will add 7 days in July 7. So when we will add 7 plus 7, that is equal to 14. So after 1 week of July 7, which date will come? That is July 14. Okay. Now in E part, which day follows Tuesday? Now here beta we will talk about Tuesday means day. Which day follows Tuesday? Tuesday के बाद कौन सा दिन आता है? That is Wednesday. So here we will write Wednesday, Wednesday. Now in F part, how many days are there in 3 weeks? So beta we know that in 1 week there are 7 days. So to find out the days in 3 weeks, we will multiply 3 by 7. That is equal to 21 days. Okay beta? Now estimate how much time does it take to. So here in A part it is given make a sandwich and we have two options 10 minutes or 5 hours. So beta to make a sandwich how much time we can take? That is 10 minutes. So here we will write 10 minutes. Now in B part it is given take a trip 5 days or 10 minutes. क्या हम 10 minutes में एक trip ले सकते हैं बेटा? No. So it takes 5 days. So here we will write 5 days. Now in C part, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. There are two options 3 minutes or 1 hour. So 3 minutes are enough to brush our teeth. So here we will write 3 minutes. Now in D part, it is given polish your shoes. Here we have two options 5 minutes or 2 hours. So to polish your shoes beta, how much time you will take? 5 minutes. So here we will write 5 minutes. Now in E part, clean the house. So clean the house 1 hour or 1 month. So if we want to clean the house, it takes only 1 hour. So here we will write 1 hour. Now in F part, eat your lunch. So how much time we will take? 20 minutes or 2 hours. So 20 minutes is enough to eat lunch, है ना? So here we will write 20 minutes. Understood, beta? Thank you.